What's good, y'all? Just woke up. Feeling hungry in a motherfucker. Let's go find something to eat. Let's get it. Let's see what we got in the fridge today, you heard? Let's see what we got going on here. Oh, shit. Got some baked chicken. Smack. Oh, some egg foo young, cuz. I know exactly what I'm gonna make with this now, y'all. Let's get it, B. You heard? Now let's get the main course. Oh, see. Oh, yep. The Buldak noodles, hot chicken flavor. And we're gonna mix it up with, ooh, right here. Spaghetti, samyang, you heard? We're gonna mix them both together, man. We're gonna have a Korean gangbang right here. Let's go. Oh shit, I forgot one more thing. Check this out, y'all. Fish ball with fish roll. These go crazy like Patrick Swayze, you heard? We're gonna be adding this too. All right, so I added the chicken to the egg foo young. One of them hoes together. But boom, you see? Put that thing on 2 minutes. Let's get it. Now we'll boil up some water. Some water for your daughter. Some water for your daughter. You heard? Now we'll break out the Buldak and the samyang. And yeah, ready to go, bro. Now you put in the noodles. Ooh, look at that, perfect circle. You heard? Never go wrong with you. And now this. So like 3. Look how they look like. 3 like a tree, B. And now we just wait for the noodles to soften up a little bit. Now let's flip this trick. Soften it up on both sides, you heard? Alright, it's getting to soften up. See that? Ooh. Ooh. Can't go wrong with noodles. Noodles the best, chicken breast. Look at that. Noodles, nice and soft like my cock. Alright, fish balls beginning to melt. We in there. Alright, we'll give this like a couple more minutes. And then we're gonna dump the water out, add some sauce. Alright, water's all out. Let's put the sauce in. 2 times spicy goes in first. I mean, Buldak. All that out. All that spicy, you know what I'm saying? Spaghetti. Oh yeah, this about to be fire. Don't forget the spaghetti oil. Some oil like a soil. Now stir it up. Ooh, look at that. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Y'all see that, bro? Come on, man. Nobody can fuck with my noodle game, you heard? I'm the king of noodles. Don't believe me? Ask your girlfriend. Get in there. You know, a couple more toss. No salad, you heard? Bam! Now let's give it a little taste test. Now we grab a foam plate, because we lazy like Sam Gates. So we use foam like chrome. Check this out though, check this out. I'm gonna do it this way. Can you see, can you see? If not, it's the camera angle, you heard? Look at that though. See that? Probably kind of dark, I ain't got no lighting here. But look at that, fire. Thing ready? Grab the egg foo young like chow young. Bring it to the table. And smack, smack. Let's get to eating and feasting. Smack the Shag hat. Get yours today at the 99-cent store. Just kidding. Let's go. Let's get it. First bite. Tastes like coffee and pepper. But it's good. Even though I don't like coffee, I like noodles. I don't know if I can finish this though. Let's try the chicken. Kind of dry, like my sex life. No play. But that skin good though, for some reason. That's good pollo. Sweating already. Ooh. Let's do some Q&A. You guys like spicy noodles? Can you handle the heat? Can you handle the heat, like Latino heat? Shout outs Eddie Guerrero. Rest in peace. I'm actually watching them right now. Good times. Nothing like these new WWE stuff. It's booty, son. Let's try some egg foo young. For the young ones, the fun ones. It's healthy. Not my cup of tea. You know what I'm saying? Not my preference. I still eat it though. Because my mama always told me not to never waste food. And if we do, we get the shoe. That's the fish ball. Check this out. You guys gonna love this. Check it out. Fuck, bitch. You see the roe in there? See that roe? Ooh. Available only in the Asian markets. So go get yours today. These are good. Fire, like hiya. You don't think I can finish this? Somebody help me. Help me. Actually, this helps a lot though. I think a little bit more spice would be perfect. But I ain't trying to get my ass up. I'm lazy. Lord help me. starting to kick in. If I ain't stopping, I'm gonna keep going. I need some better lighting. Should use my ring camera. I mean ring light. Oh well. Bad lighting, good comedy. And good eats like a meat. Chicken. Oh, sorry, my guy. It tastes like the Sahara. It's like I'm chewing on dried booty skin off a zebra's ass that's been left out there for dead for like 5 days by a leopard in a leopard underwear. That's how dry it is. Go for the fish ball again. You see that? The juices just squirt. That explosion though, you heard? I can't do no more. I can't do no more. I'm gonna have to tap out. I can't finish this shit. A bit more off than I could chew. Facts, you heard? All right, one more bite for y'all. But then I'm out of here. You heard? A little bit of egg foo young. A little chow young fat. Cheesing, cheesing. And I'm done. I'm out, you heard?